Okay, guys, today is different. Today is different altogether. You know, guys, you see, everything is not about prayer. Everything is not about prayer, you know. Yeah, without wasting your time, welcome to my channel. It's your Get Chichi One Chicken in the building. You guys are so amazing. Wow. Thanks for being part of my family. May God bless you. And if you have not subscribed, oh, please, what are you waiting? Join this family and be part of my family. I love you. My old subscriber, my returning subscriber, you guys are so amazing. If you're always tuning in, wow. I love you. I love you. I love you. Guys, you see, I just want to carry along with me. I was like, wow, if you are my partner, if you are my family, why wouldn't I carry along with me? So today I'm going to do the quick one, guys. You can see I have a lot of fruits here with me, and I have something that I want to do the quick one with you. You see, guys, you see, prayer is good. Prayer is good, but everything is not prayer. You know, it's just like maybe if you are hungry, you know, instead of you to go to the kitchen where you will take food, or instead of you to go do shopping, you know, buy food store, then cook, then eat, then you are praying, waiting for manna to come up. You know, everything is about wisdom. You know, that's why it's good for us to use wisdom in doing things. You don't just like, oh, I'm a born again, I'm a child of God, I'm this, I'm that. I believe that, oh, this rain that is falling, I mean, it's not going to touch me. I know who am I, you know, I pray the Lord. Yeah, you see, I'm going to shock you now, guys. But, I mean, I tried to, like, put one or two things. Then I was like, no, why wouldn't I do this? I have to bring this in my platform. Today is different thing altogether. Today is teaching. Guys, you see, I just finished doing my exercise. Then I said, okay, let me go to step 2. You know, to start with, guys, exercise is very good. It's very, very good. You know, it's good. Even doctor will tell you that it's good to do exercise. Exercise is something that, I mean, money cannot buy. Money cannot buy. You see, you don't start with what you cannot do. Within you were like, oh, can I do it? Oh, doing like this, jumping, doing like that. I mean, it's so hard for me. No. You can start gradually. You must not do, you know, the one you know you. I mean, then you do. So before you know it, you know, you start climbing. The first one you climb, the second one you climb. Before you know, you just get used to it. It's not like it's something that you'll be doing every day. You can still be doing once in a week. It depends on you. Twice in a week, you know. You can still be doing every day if you have the strength. Everything depends on you. You see, guys, you know, we are living with what we just, you know, weakness. You know, we all know what is going on about this corona stuff, you know. Yeah. So everything has to do with immune system, to build your immune system. So they now said we have to take a lot of vegetables, you know, vitamins, you know, do exercise and vitamin C and the rest, you know. So they say it's good, you know, you build the immune system. So guys, I just said, okay, let me carry along with me. Let me tell you or teach you all, you know. Yeah, let me teach you some of the things, you know, I'm doing that is helping me so much and helping my children. So I'm going to be taking step by step, but this is the first step. Number 1, guys, exercise is good. Exercise is good. Use exercise, you know. Don't see like maybe, oh, you can do exercise in your house. You can do exercise anywhere you feel that is comfortable. You can as well buy exercise materials, you know. You can start with the one you know you. I mean, before you know, you just get used to, just like I said. Then the next one is fruit. Guys, fruit is very important. Fruit is good. I don't play with fruit, man, guys. In my house every day, if you are the one that, if you know me, look at fruits, guys. Look at fruits, you know. This is, I cannot stay without fruit. I can't stay without fruits. I don't know. You know, fruit is very good. Everything is not about, you have to know the way you eat. You know, there are people that maybe in the morning, you know, everything you are taking is not, yeah, everything you are taking is starch. You take starch, or maybe you are taking just protein. You don't balance it. You have to balance it. You have to balance it. You can see this is banana. You see this is orange. This is apple. Mandarin, you see. So I cannot stay without fruit. So I just want to give you this teaching. I don't know what I will use to help. So after doing exercise, then I mean, you take tea. If you are this type that like tea, guys, I like tea so much. If I say tea, I don't mean tea with milk, maybe Milo, all that thing. You don't need sugar. Sugar is not good. Sugar is not good. You know, taking sugar, you know, if you are above 40, you don't have to be taking sugar. Doctor will tell you, you know, like me, if I want to take tea, I don't put sugar. I do sugar for my children. But for me, I don't take sugar. I take natural sugar. How do I mean? People might ask, what do you mean by natural sugar? Natural sugar is like taking banana. This is banana. The sugar is natural. Taking apple. Apple is natural sugar. Taking anything that has to do, sugaring thing, let me put it in this form, is natural. So when I say natural sugar, that is what I mean. I don't know, maybe in the comment section you can correct me. I might make a mistake, or maybe I'm not perfect, but this is a little one I'm sharing with you. If you know what natural sugar mean, if I'm not perfect, drop in the comment. We are learning, guys. Just let me carry along with me. Let's do this teaching together. It can help us, guys. Everything is not about prayer. It's good to pray, actually, but you have to walk. After praying, then you walk. Even God himself, if you remember, or if you are the one, if you used to read Bible, you know that God did not just pray. If he's just praying, he will not, do so many things. Along the line of the first day, he do this. The second day, he created. He was just busy walking and created, doing things, So you don't just relax and say, in the name of Jesus, I ban this corona. I ban this corona. Fire, corona. Go, corona will not touch me. Holy Ghost fire. I ban you, corona. You, corona. I ban you, corona. Then, when you ban corona finish, you go out, you mix with people. You ban corona finish, you start doing what they told you not to do. Then you ban and come back. You are like, oh, they answer me. Oh, why now? I thought I pray, I fast. No. You have to be wise. You have to use your wisdom. I do tell people, you don't just pray and you relax. You will not work. You don't just pray and say miracle money. You wait for manna to fall down. No, you have to work. It is written in the Bible that he that does not work will not eat. So when I see people saying that waiting for miracle, what do you mean? Bible says he that does not work will not eat. So you have to work. So back to what I'm saying. So guys, stay tuned. Go and take coffee. While I take my coffee, guys. Let me take my own coffee. I like taking tea, just like I said. Guys, look at it. This is chameleon tea. It's very nice. Before I don't used to take chameleon tea until I met one of my friends. It's a white lady. She was like, what happened to your voice? I lost my voice. Then I lost my voice. Then she said, go and take chameleon tea. It's very nice. Guys, I took it. Since then, I don't play with it. So chameleon tea is very good. Green tea, you mix it. Green tea that mix with orange. Look for green tea. If you are mature, you are both 30 something years, you don't need to be taking sugary thing. Taking sugary thing too much is not good. Today is teaching. I'm going to be bringing natural teaching now to my channel. Guys, let me know if you like this topic more. And let me know if there's any topic you want us to discuss. Let's discuss together. Continue our topic of today. So guys, this is chameleon tea. This is chameleon tea. You mix it. I don't put anything. You don't need to put anything. Only hot water. You put only water with the chameleon. You can mix like 3. Like here, you see, I have 3 of them. I put it. In fact, even when I was in Africa, I do take tea. My sister was like, wow, Europe will fit you. I don't really understand then when she was telling me, you can live in Europe. You love tea, because I love taking tea, natural tea, just tea like that. So until when I came to realize that tea is very good. You might ask, how do I mean? Do you know why tea is good? It washes the system. It washes your system. Even doctor, there was a time doctor told me, we have tea for children. This one, it will be maybe the next video. I will bring out tea that I use for my kids. For mothers, those who have kids, even for single mothers, those who are not married as well. So if you have children, or even if you don't have, your sister might have. So guys, I don't want the video to be long so that you can go home with something. So tea is very good. Try to learn how to take tea. Don't be taking Milo, cappuccino, all those Milo, cappuccino, milk, and it's good for children. That one will be the next teaching. It's good for children. But as an adult, please be taking tea. Tea is good. Then the last one, guys, go and take 1 cup of water. Water is good. And drink. Why I take my tea? Amazing. Okay, guys, let's go to the next step. The next step is, look at it, guys. This is vitamin C. I told you don't go anywhere. Today teaching, wow, you are going to be blessed. Please share the video. Look at it. Look at it. You can get it in apotheca. You can get it in pharmacy. You can get it. Look at it. Just, it's not costly. This is just, if I'm not mistaken, €4. You know, you can, where you are, I don't know where you are, you can get it in where they sell medicine. We call it here, they say apotheca. So you can get it in the, yeah, in a shop. Just go and ask, look at it, you know. Look at it, you can get it. Okay, maybe the next video I'm gonna teach you how you use it. So, but you look at it, you just only 3 spoons. You put 3 spoons, you know, just put 3 spoons. Then maybe the next video I will be doing it, you'll be seeing what I'm doing. So you just put 3 spoons, then you drink it. So you don't just relax and say, oh, I have my marks, I'm going with my marks. With my marks, I believe I'm protected. Oh, nothing will harm me. I prayed in the morning. Wow, I prayed in the afternoon. Wow, it doesn't work like that, guys. Your prayer is good. Prayer is good. Why do you pray? You pray for God to direct you. You pray for God to protect you. You pray, you know, for you to have breakthrough. But how will God protect you without you protecting yourself? Ask yourself this question. Wow. God would instruct you to do something. Go and do this. See how you will do. Go and buy this. Go and do this. Then you are not doing it. You just relax and be waiting for God to come down. It doesn't work like that. Okay, guys, I'm going to end the video here. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about the video. Do you love more of this? Don't forget, the next session is how we are going to continue. You know, that's the next video. I'm going to teach you about what you will do, what you will give your children, your kids, you know. That's what we are going to do. Okay, guys, yeah. Let me end the video here. I love you. I love you. I love you. We'll continue the next video. You know, the next step, I'm going to teach you how you will use the vitamin. This is vitamin C and what is good for your kids, you know. That's the next video. Okay, guys, I just want to say I love you. Don't forget, exercise is very good to the system. And fruits. Take fruits, drink enough water, and take tea as an adult. Don't take what? Take tea. Don't take milk. You see all this, too much of milk and Milo, cappuccino, all these things, they are not good for you. It's only good for your kids. Even your kids, don't worry, I don't want to go that level, you know. I'm going to do it in a way that you will follow the way I'm doing it. I'm not perfect, actually. Bible says nobody is perfect, but God is perfect. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. If you are new in my channel, my name is Titi Nwachukwu in the building. My channel is about being positive. Once in a while, vlogs. Information is power. Having faith in God. I love you guys. Go and be blessed. Like, comment, subscribe. Share the video. Let it go viral. And let me know what you think about the video. Go and be blessed. Comment, like, and share. Subscribe, and be the part of my family. I love you. I love you. I love you. Share the video and let it go viral. Bye-bye.